Okay. Hello, everybody. This is another part of the Sunday dinner. Okay. I'm going to read my scripture first, and it will be from Psalms 27:1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Psalms 27:1. Thank you so much. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to do these are chicken thighs that I have here. And I'm going to put them in an oven barbecue, okay? So these are still all my ingredients that I'm going to be using for this also. Okay. I have to stand up so I get to them. Okay. Okay, I've already put in the smoked sauce. It's already in. I have bell peppers in, and I have onions in. I was intending to put some of the sweet peppers in it, but that's okay. Okay, so now this is my complete. I got one more thing I got to do in paprika. I have to get it. Let me get the paprika down too. That's what I was putting in just a second. You should put it in this sauce. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to use the jalapeno mustard also in the chicken thighs. I'm going to be putting the paprika. Black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of the easy onion spice on it also. Okay, I'm also going to be putting in the I taken sauce. I taken zest sauce, okay. So now, I think I have everything. I think I have everything on. There's enough on here that should season it out pretty good. So let me put just a little bit more garlic powder, a little bit more onion powder. I always go heavy on onion and garlic powder. Okay, a little bit. Okay, so now put just a little bit more of my paprika on it.
Yeah, you can season as y'all like. I'm telling them they can season as they like. Season as they like.
Oh yeah, season as you like. Okay. All right. All right, now I'm getting ready to put my barbecue sauce on.
And these are seasonings she used. She used hickory smoke, paprika, black pepper, complete, onion, graduated onion, garlic powder, a little salt, easy onion. So these are the seasonings she used. And as I say, you can season as you want. This is what she used. And she marinated in the hickory smoke for like 2 hours before she took it out the refrigerator. And she used the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce also.
All right, now I'm putting a little brown sugar into the chicken thighs.
And y'all, she's doing the barbecue again because the kids are here. So She's just making something that we know the kids will eat. So that's why she's doing barbecue chicken again. Because I know she already had it once this month. She had the wings.
Okay. So now I'm putting the barbecue sauce right on top. This is when it's open. Okay.
Sorry the camera's shaking, y'all. My hand is shaking this morning for some reason.
Okay. Now I'm gonna get a spoon and you kind of rub it across there in my hand. Okay. Okay.
Okay, y'all. We'll be back once it's done.
Should I put some more paprika on top of it? Make for the colors in there? Okay. Okay. This is my chicken thighs, barbecue chicken thighs. So this is the final touches of the barbecue chicken thighs. And I did this because the children love barbecue meat in it most all the time. So I thought this would be the best way for them to have it today. Would be for the barbecue chicken, and which I like it myself. So I'm getting some. So everybody has it.
Good.
So how do you guys like it?
Good.
You eat your meat? How you like your meat, Armani? How you like your barbecue meat? Taste it.
Bring her a piece of paper towel too. And Malachi likes his also. Okay, well she's chewing it, all right.
And how you like it? It's good? You like it too, Monty?
Yeah.
Okay. Melly, you eat the chicken?
Mine gone.
Your chicken gone?
Yep. Mine gone.
So we're good.
Yep. It's gone.
Yeah, it's very good. Hope y'all try the recipe. It's very, very good.
Papa coming over?
Okay. So it's very good.
Mm.
And okay, I'm getting me a bite. Mm.
And don't eat it.
Boy. Very
The corn
delicious.
good.
Very delicious. Very, very good.
Has to be good because Kaka already tore his up.
Michael, Malachi.
Malachi.
I can sing the rain.
But y'all get the chicken 1 out of 10.
Oh, it's still good.
5, 10.
But you get the chicken 1 out of 10. Get the chicken 1 out of 10.
Okay.
11.
Everybody's enjoying it.
Amani said she'll give it 11.
It is
I'll
11.
give it.
Well, 11 is more than a 10, so
I'll at least give it a 16.
you know it has to be doubly off the chain.
Kaka said he gives it a 16.
I'll get
Regular.
11 to what? What's that? What's that?
All right.
Okay, now what?
So I thank you so much. If y'all decide to do this, it's very good. And it doesn't take very long to do it. So it takes about an hour altogether with everything. Maybe, depends on how your oven is and all these things for your meat. But the children is going to enjoy it. That's why I'm doing must barbecue meat. So they enjoy barbecue every day, any kind of way that you fix it. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.
And thank you to the old subscribers, the new subscribers, and everyone that has kept our videos running and going and looking at the old one. We appreciate you so, so much. We love you. And all his blessings down on you 100,000 fold.
And still, I'll be praying with you guys, and I want you all to continue to pray for me, because I'm still in her. I need prayer also. So God bless. Have a good day and a blessed week. And thank you all. Until this time, another day, for another video will be coming your way. I'm not promising what days the videos will be out, but just keep your notification button where you can push it. And remember, okay.
Like, comment,
Come on.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Thank you so
That's
much.
all.
bye.
So you won't miss another
Bye-bye.
video. Bye.
Have a blessed day.
Tell the kids, say this is the bye, because our vacation time is up.
Bye.
Bye.
Tell me our vacation time is up over here with their granny. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye-bye.